If you need to change the phone number associated with your Wise account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth update. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your current phone number for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile or account section of the app or website. Step 3. Select phone number. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled phone number or contact information. Click on this option to proceed with the update. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Ensure that you enter the number correctly, including the country code if required. Step 5. Verify the new number. After entering your new phone number, Wise will send the verification code to that number. Check your messages, enter the code in the app or website, and confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.